What do you think, guys? What do you think? That's how she's looking. I fixed the wheels on her. My TRX Rustler got her started finally. Put the pull start on, but I had to like realign the screws as I had a back starter. That the motor burnt out was this, but I can easily cut that off and use the back start off that as a drill start, or just use a pull start. Here's the back plate, I can use that, but I just line the screws in the engine block on the plate, on the starting plate, then put them in an angle. That runs fine now. I just got to give her a little bit of a tune and fix the wheels on and put these wheel nuts back on, what are in there. These ones are really cool compared to these old ones, are really worn up. To let me know what you think. She's coming together well. Put her body shell on her, she'll look so sweet. That's her body shell, guys. And there like that. Yeah, she looks good. Can't wait to take her for a spin. And my co-show. My co-show is here. They're my cars there. All my cars in my collection, what I have. Them two. And that one. My my Gladiator. And that's my Savage. What I'm really pleased with. That's my Savage in there. And my Thunder Tiger under here. You sweet guys. That's my collection. She's coming. All she needs is the wheels put on now. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. It was worth every penny. Yep. Worth every penny, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my videos. I'm new, doing my best. I all love Nitro. Keep the Nitro going. Peace, everyone. Thank you, all my supporters, all my YouTubers, for leaving lovely comments. And Crazy Dad Nitro. SOS Savage. Thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you.